good evening, or good morning, good day, class. Dr. Anderson, my name is Herman Young. I'm a NJROTC instructor at Governor Thomas Johnson High School in Frederick, Maryland. I've been here for about 5 years now, maybe going on 6 or something like that. I retired from the Navy after 20 years of service. Um, I been teaching at the school for roughly um, 3 years now. So I'm almost tenured at the school. Something interesting, I'm from Chicago, so I love everything Chicago. That means sports teams, food, the sights, uh, beautiful museums there. The lakefront is awesome. Downtown is nothing like it when you see it at night. That skyline is gorgeous. Um, I have a wife, 3 boys. My oldest son is in the Navy. My middle son is going into the Air Force in December, hopefully. Still waiting on his ship date. And my youngest son is going to community college here in the fall. My wife, she's a nurse. Her name is Jackie. Short-term, long-term goals. I could retire for teaching. That'll be my second retirement in about 7 years if I continue. I like it. Actually, I love it. Just, inspiring the kids to learn. It's awesome. So I don't really do it for the money, but I'm trying to get into some real estate adventures too with my wife here soon, and we'll see how that go. Out of this class, I just hope to just learn about curriculum, because I know it's just hard for me to just do a lesson plan or follow the curriculum that the Navy has and the guidelines they have for us, and trying to make it interesting for the kids. So I'm looking for some insight on that, and hopefully the interview that we do will bring some stuff to light as well, to get like a district perspective on it. I already contacted my interviewee, so I hope everyone does well in this semester. I know I went over a little on time, but have a great semester, everyone.